Hello my friends, what's up? The Dutchman Ruben Buijs here. Infected Rain, Moldovan new metal alternative metal band. And why not indeed? This song is called Mold and the band has been suggested by Buijs. Are you Dutch? Doc Moore, Mr. Yamaha 06, Fredde, Uzapon, Cecilia Popescu, X13X. They all suggest this band with a female singer. Why not? Had some great bands with a female singer on this channel. So what can go wrong? In a 3, 2, 1.
So
not bad at all. Really liked the singer, really could appreciate her vocal range. Just a very catchy metal song. Excuse me. Just an incredible, just a very catchy metal song. Really, it really worked well. I liked the composition, and now a lot of people are against new metal, but you know, not really. If you may or may not know, I'm not really into pushing songs into a genre or label or whatever. That's not really my thing. That being said, just on topic, it worked for me. It just worked for me. Very catchy metal song, and I really like the female singer. I think she's really talented, and I'm certainly interested in hearing more by them. When I was young, in my perception, we didn't have that much bands with great female singers. At least I didn't listen to them when I was a little bit younger. And look at the state of affairs now. So many bands with great, powerful female vocalists. You know, call it feminism, call it whatever you want. I just call it cool, and I think it's really awesome. Yeah, you got so many bands with great female frontmen. That's great. Ginger, Arch Enemy, and now Affected Rain. You know, keep them coming. The Dutch, the Charm, the Fury. Keep them coming. Strong, strong female vocalist. +1 for me. That being said, no, really liked it. Just go nice, groovy, catchy metal song, and nothing wrong with that. Take that any day of the week. Guys, let me know what you think. Did you like it? Did you not like it? Have you seen this band live? What are their best songs? You tell me. I'm all ears. Thanks so much. See you soon, my friends. Bye bye.